How to use face swap on Snapchat with pictures and video. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now what you have to do is just tap on the filters icon over here and just swipe it to the very end where you can see the magnifying glass or the search option, or rather explore option, that you'll be able to see. So just swipe it until you see that option over here. As tap on explore, you'll be able to see the search bar. So over here on the search bar, you just have to search for face swap and then search for it, and here you'll be able to see what kind of face swap you would want. So I'm going to select on the very first one, and as you tap on that, you just have to make sure that you have two people in the frame so that you can swap the face, and then just click a picture over here. Here you'll be able to swap the faces between two people, and then you can just save it or you can send it to your friends. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.